In other news, the Department of Justice, or DOJ, is studying how much in terms of taxes the government loses from oil smuggling activities in the country. In fact, it has already asked the Bureau of Internal Revenue, or BIR, to compute exactly how much government revenues are lost due to non-payment of taxes by those involved in oil smuggling. The order from the DOJ stemmed from its ongoing investigation on the possible involvement in smuggling of the ship that caused the oil spill in Bataan and Cavite.
In terms of lost income in revenues ng gobyerno natin sa kaban ng bayan. Kasi nga, kung oil smuggling yan, hindi sila nagbabayad ng buwis, ng customs duties and tariffs. Pangalawa, dahil nga merong systems losses sa mga oil companies din, ay yaan ay pinapasa sa ating mga kababayan. So, dalawang dagok ng dumadating sa atin. So, malaking bagay yan.